Hello, everyone. To add a gallery hotspot, you'll need to open Hotspot settings, then click on Add a Hotspot. After that, you can choose from our multiple icons an image icon for your hotspot. Then you will have to click anywhere in Panorama to append to it a position. After this, navigate to Hotspot Actions and then click on Gallery section. You can add videos and photos in your gallery. In this tutorial, we will use video URL, and I'll use this current scene photo for the demonstration. So let's add now the video. And add the image. I'm going to pass the scene photo to my gallery just for preview as a test. You can add a limited files URLs wider, our videos, images, or audios. Now I will update the preview. I can see now on hover the title. And after click on my hotspot, magic happens. Isn't beautiful this gallery? See you in other videos, and thanks for watching.